Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can access your local Node-RED instance from anywhere in the world using ngrok node in the Node-RED. So we were installing ngrok node inside the Node-RED to access our local Node-RED instance remotely from anywhere in the world. Now in this video we are going to cover this topic that how you can access your local Node-RED instance remotely from anywhere in the world using localtunnel. Okay, so we will see how you can install the localtunnel package in your system, and then after how you can access your local Node-RED instance from anywhere in the world. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. But before that, here is the diagram. So if you have any local Node-RED instance running in your Windows machine or Linux machine or Raspberry Pi, then you can use localtunnel to access it from remote location. You can also monitor your data remotely. Okay, and also you can control your equipments remotely from anywhere in the world in any device. It can be your Android device, it can be iPhone, it can be your laptop, it can be your tablet, anything. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So first of all, we have to install the localtunnel package in our machine. So you can use this command, okay, npm install -g localtunnel to install the localtunnel package in your system. So you have to copy this, you have to open the command prompt, and then you have to paste it, and then you have to hit enter. So it will take few seconds to download and install the localtunnel package in your system, and if it is already installed, then here you will see the message that it's already installed. You can see change 22 packages in 13 seconds. Okay, so localtunnel packages are successfully installed in my system. Now we all know that our local Node-RED instance will run on the localhost colon 1880 TCP port number. So basically we have to forward this 1880 TCP port to public IP address, and we have to assign some port number. But we don't want to get into that what port number we are going to assign. We just need direct solution, so that's why we can use localtunnel. So we know that we want to forward the localhost colon 1880 port. So all you have to do is you have to specify your local port here. Okay, and then you have to just run this command in the command prompt. So lt stands for localtunnel, and we are going to forward, or we are going to create one URL for the port 1880. Okay, so basically if you have this URL localhost colon 1880, then it will create one new URL to access your localhost colon 1880. So we are just going to copy this, we will paste that in the command prompt, and then we will hit enter. So it will give us the one URL. You can see your new URL is this one. So I can access my local Node-RED instance from anywhere in the world using this URL. So all I have to do is just copy it. Okay, I can open the new private window, I can paste it here, and then I can hit enter. Okay, you can see it got loaded. Now once you load this URL, it will ask for the password. So what will be the password? So password is the IP address, but which IP address? So to find the IP address or to find the password, you have to use this link. So you can run this link, or you can open this link in your machine where you have run this command. Okay, so I have run this command lt-port 1880 in my system. So I can open this link in my system and it will give me the password. Okay, so if it is a bad gateway, then you can refresh it, and here it is the password. So I can copy this password and I can provide that password to anyone with whom I am sharing this link. So they can paste that password here, and they can click on submit to access our local Node-RED instance or local Node-RED dashboard, local Node-RED flow editor from anywhere in the world. And here you can see it is loading. Now if I add some node in my local instance, and if I deploy that flow, then here you can see the flow on the server have been updated. Okay, so we have updated on our local machine, so that's why we have the warning here. Okay, we can review the changes, and we can merge the changes, and here we have that node. Now if I add the debug node here, Okay, and if I deploy it, then you will see the warning in your local machine that someone has changed the flow. Okay, and now we can review the change, or we can cancel the change, or we can merge the change. So I'm going to merge it, and here you can see we have the exact replica of the remote machine. So the basically Node-RED is running in my local system, but remotely I can access my Node-RED flow editor. Also I can access my Node-RED dashboard. So if I want to monitor any data, then I can do that. If I want to control any equipments from the remotely, then also I can do that using this local tunnel package. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and as long as you keep this command prompt running, you can access your local Node-RED instance from anywhere in the world. If you close it, then you have to again run this command and it will give you the new URL. Okay, so every time this URL will change. So if I press Ctrl C here, and if I run the same command, then you can see the URL is changed. I have to copy this URL. Okay, I have to paste it here, and then it will again ask for the password. So again I have to open this link in my local system. I have to copy the password and I have to paste it here, and then I have to get access to that local Node-RED instance. Okay, you can see plugins are loading, and in a moment you will have same replica of your local Node-RED flow editor remotely. You can also access this link in your tablet and you can modify your flow. You can monitor your data in your tablet, phone, desktop, laptop, anywhere. So I hope everything is clear, and if you want to know the command, then I have provided the command on our website. I will provide this link in the description of this video, so you can go there, you can copy the command, you can install the package, and then you can access your local Node-RED instance from anywhere in the world using this command. So let's meet in the future videos, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then feel free to ask in the comment section or over the email or Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.